the energy production with respect to that concern. In order to meet the increasing requirement, there is a necessary to add a massive addition to generating capacity into the country. So there is a necessary to add massively, or we have to get the concentration to generate the electricity power in a rapid manner. But the current situation in our India, that the Indian power sector is largely depend on the coal based electrification generation of the electricity. Means the Indian power sector is totally depends, not the totally, it is large most or having the large amount of percentage depending on the coal based generation, electricity generation. So with respect to the total installed capacity, near about 55% energy is generated from the coal based, then 10% is generated from the gas based, 1% is generated from the diesel based, 21% is generated from the hydroelectric base or hydropower base, we can say water power base, and 2% is from the nuclear base, and remaining 11% which is coming from the renewable energy resources. So there is the necessary to develop the renewable energy sources technology. With respect to that, by considering their inherent advantage, there is a necessary as well as there is a need to develop our power sector by using by utilization of the renewable energy resources or the sources. As our national resources for electricity generation in our India are unevenly dispersed and concentrated in our few regions. This is also one important point we have to consider, as our natural resources for electricity generation in our India are unevenly dispersed. It is available in our India in the form of uneven nature, and it get concentrate in our few regions of the India. Means hydro resources which are located in the Himalayas foothill areas in northeastern region. The coal reserves, means the stockage of the coal, are get concentrated in Jharkhand, Orissa, West Bengal, Chhattisgarh, some part of Madhya Pradesh, whereas lignite is located in Tamil Nadu and Gujarat. Like that, in northeastern region, for example, Sikkim and the Bhutan have the vast untapped hydro potential in that region. So, due to such facts, the distribution of the energy resources and the consumption centers are get extremely unbalanced. Means there is a considerable unbalance is happened in our country. The load centers are scattered at far off place away from the sources rich area. This is our fact in our India. Sorry. So recently the government initiates or take the initiatives for the establishment of the special economic zone to develop the new potential load centers. So with respect to this unevenness, there is necessary to develop uniformity. So government take the initiatives to establish the special economic zone to develop the new potential load centers. So there is a need to develop new potential load centers. So with respect to that, the projects are proposed to be located mostly at the resource area, with each location having the capacity with the range of 5,000 to 10,000 million watt hours. The next point is nothing but, the next fact is what? Though we concentrate to investment, to consider the investment program into the modern technology, where there is a consideration of the utilization of renewable resources, but the current fact of India is what? But India is nothing but, or the current fact of the world is what? The India as well as the world is totally or mostly based on the coal-based production, coal-based energy production. So for that, the figure number 3, which indicate certain result of that, figure number 3, which gives, sorry, figure number 1. Here is the figure number 1. Please consider the figure number 1. It is not a figure number 3. It is a figure number 1. Okay. The figure number 1 indicates what? It gives the information regarding the India in a top 5 coal consumer. India is nothing but the top 5, is in between of the top 5 coal consumer, and there is nothing but the bifurcation of the energy production with respect to the fuel concern. So the part number 1 of figure 1 gives what? It is nothing but give the information about the utilization of the coal based production is nothing but the topmost country utilized the coal based production is nothing but the China, which consumes the coal near about 43%. After that, the United States of America utilized near about 17%, 17%. Europe countries use or utilizes 9%. Then India utilizes near about 7%. Then Japan utilizes 4%. The coal based production as a energy production, and remaining overall world get utilized the 20% as a coal for the energy production. And the part 2 of figure number 1 shows the energy consumption or the energy production by using various types of the fuel. In that, we can see that the 68%, near about the 68% is the coal is used for the energy production into the or for the electricity generation purpose, and after that the remaining part get utilized for the industries, residential and commercial and other sectors. So only electrical generation sector has used 68% the coal for the same, for that production of the energy in the form of electricity. Okay, so this is the current situation of the world as well as in our in our Indian sector. So this is nothing but the general discussion about the Indian current situation. As I discussed that the India is nothing but good developing country which produce energy, the energy production in a rapid in manner, as well as which consumes the energy in rapid manner. So after that, in next lecture we will see what are the points we have to consider by which we can improve the energy production. There are the 4 to 5 again points we have to consider in next lecture. First point is the utilization of clean coal technology. Then second is the updation of existing thermal power stations. Third one is the development of national grid technology. Maximum investment we have to make in renewable energy, and utilization of FACTS devices, FACTS, FACT devices, we will see in next lecture. So utilization of FACTS device scheme, etc. These are the 4 to 5 points we have to use to improve the current situation of India with respect to energy concern. Okay, let me stop here. Thank you very much.